let's check out this absolutely awesome electrical air pump. Also, if you are looking to get this air pump, in the description I'll include a special discount link that you can follow and get it for only a bit under $5, and also that is with free shipping. So yeah, I got mine from AliExpress, and that probably is the cheapest place where you can get it. Also in this listing you can purchase either the wall version, so that you can plug in wall, or also the one which can also be plugged in a car as well. So the car version is maybe like $1 more expensive. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So yeah, that's absolutely cool. You can actually use it in a car as well. For example, if you are going camping, yeah, that's absolutely awesome. So first, you have the manual here. Yeah, also I'll show you how to use it as well in this video. So first, yeah, we get 3 of these different adapters here in different sizes. So for larger things such as air mattress, for example, and this is for maybe like smaller inflatables, maybe like balls, maybe beach balls, like various floatables. So yeah, and then the pump itself over here. So it also will arrive with a correct plug for your country here. So you see the construction is actually fairly simple on this pump. We get 2 output ports, so first for inflating and also for deflating as well. And the on-off switch here, and we have 35 watts of power on this thing. So definitely, yep, you can also easily run it from a car as well, so it doesn't draw that much power actually. So, and if you want to start using it, so for example, let's say to inflate maybe like air mattress. So for air mattress, I would use this, so the middle one to inflate. And I would actually put it right on here. Okay, like this. So you see it simply like snaps on. And it's actually a bit different when it comes to inflating or deflating air mattress, for example. So if you want to inflate it, you would only remove this first flap here. So this is what it should look like. But if you actually want to deflate it, you would actually remove this like the second piece also here. Okay, it's kind of... Okay, so you see, essentially there is a second valve essentially, also with this kind of flapper here that prevents air from escaping. So yeah, if you want to inflate it, so again, simply remove the first flap here. Again, I have inserted the middle adapter on this thing over here. I'll insert inside, plugged in power, and then simply push that button. And it took me maybe a bit over 1 minute to fully inflate it using this pump over here. And I'm simply going now to replace this flap, and we can start using our mattress. So what if you want to also deflate it? So on your pump, so we would actually switch the outputs. So we would remove from there and basically put basically this larger one on the top over here. So you see, deflate. Okay, and then yeah, essentially it's going to suck basically air inside here and output from here essentially. So, and for example, again, if you want to deflate air mattress, you would actually remove the whole like plug. I see it's already kind of starting to deflate itself, but yeah, let's also insert it inside and turn it on. And yeah, overall the performance of this pump actually looks very decent indeed. So it was also able to suck out all the air and make it very portable essentially. So yeah, when it comes to power, this actually appears fairly decent. Again, if you also want to get one, make sure to check out those special discount links. So again, only around $5 with free shipping. And also, yeah, you can also get the car version here in this listing as well, if you want to take it with you while camping. So yeah, absolutely awesome. Okay, good luck.